In today's lecture, we are discuss about current. What is current? Current may be defined as the time rate of change of charge. Okay, that is charge. Current may be defined as the time rate of change of charge. Symbol of current is I. Okay, I is equal to time rate, that is T. चेंज के लिए हम दो साइन यूज करते हैं, डी या डेल्टा, डिपेंड अपॉन चेंज स्मॉल है या ज्यादा है. ठीक है, सो चेंज ऑफ चार्ज, दस आई इज इक्वल टू डी क्यू बाई डी टी. एसआई यूनिट ऑफ करंट इज एम्पेयर. ओके, यहां से हम एक और यूनिट निकाल सकते हैं. चार्ज की यूनिट होती है कूलम और टाइम की यूनिट है सेकंड. तो हमारी करंट की सेकंड यूनिट क्या हो सकती है? कूलम पर सेकंड. ओके, देन फर्दर, व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ करंट? ओके, व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ करंट? वी टॉक अबाउट व्हाट इज the history of current, that is how current are found. During heavy rainfall, we see that in atmosphere lightning take place. Okay, in lightning there are 7000 ampere current is present. In household appliances, okay, there is also the presence of current. In household appliances, approximately 5 ampere of current is present. Current is also provided by catfishes. In catfishes, it is approximately 1 ampere. It doesn't need to be crammed. Okay, it's general knowledge. It's basic. That is how we found current. Okay, these are the natural examples where we find the current. Now we discuss about type of current. Current are of many types. Okay, first, electron current, which is also known as natural current. Second one is conventional current. Third one is exponential current. Exponential current. Fourth one is you can say DC current. Okay, you can also say AC current. Okay, there are various type of currents are present. Okay, then fifth one is say damped current. Okay, look, we draw a circuit. This is load, I suppose resistance. This is our cell or a battery which provide a voltage of V. Okay, suppose a current of I ampere is flowing through the circuit. Now electrons are negatively charged. They flow towards negative to positive. Thus, movement of electron, that is flow of electron, are like this in the circuit. Okay, this is the flow of electron. In the direction of flow of electron, a current is developed. Okay, बेसिकली हमने करंट को क्या बोला कि करंट क्या है, करंट चार्ज कैरियर्स के कारण है, और जो हमारे चार्ज कैरियर्स होते हैं वो किस टाइप के हैं, ये किस पर डिपेंड करता है, हमारे मटेरियल पर। ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल जब हम सर्किट्स की बात करते हैं तो हमारे चार्ज कैरियर्स होते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। ओके, सर्किट्स में चार्ज कैरियर्स होते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, और जो हमारे सेमीकंडक्टर्स हैं उसमें हमारे चार्ज कैरियर्स आ जाते हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, होल्स। ओके, in circuit we discuss about electrons. Okay, then we define that current is due to electrons, due to movement of charge carriers, and electrons are charge carriers, thus current is flow in this direction due to electron, thus it is known as electron current or natural current. But we says that current flows in the opposite direction of flow of electron. Okay, remember this point. Current always flow in the opposite direction of flow of electron. Thus our current is flowing in this direction, which is known as conventional current. Okay, exponential current are those currents which change in exponential form. Okay, DC current are those currents like this. Okay, see, these are DC. DC इधर वोल्टेज होती है और इधर अपना करंट होता है। ठीक है, ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट, ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट्स में हम क्या बोलते हैं कि जिसमें साइनोसोडियल फॉर्म होती है। ठीक है, उसको बोल देते हैं हम एसी करंट। ठीक है, टाइम के साथ साथ वेरी करता है, रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में जाते हैं। डैम्प्ड करंट्स आर दोज करंट्स in which amplitude of current decrease with time. Their amplitude decrease with time. Okay, these are all points about currents. Basically current is due to charge carriers, and charge carriers depend upon the materials. Like in circuits we are generally talking about electrons, in semiconductor we take charge carriers as electrons and holes. These are the type of charges, electron, these are the type of current: electron current, conventional current, exponential current, damped current. If you have any doubt regarding to current, then ask me in comment section.